a battle over this blighted property in East Marlboro. Neighbors first came to us in April complaining of trash, snakes, and rats at the house.
Well, today the owner appeared in court, and for the first time, we were able to speak with him on camera. 41 Action News reporter Kat Reed learned what's next for him and for the property.
It's a little bit hard to see behind all of this greenery, but there's actually a house back here owned by John Michael Oyer. Between property and probation violations, he's racked up 45 cases in municipal court where he appeared today.
I've got 8 screws and a plate in my leg as a result.
Among other things, John Michael Oyer blames a broken leg for the mess in this yard.
And I wound up broken my leg on my way to court, and I've asked them to give me a little bit of leniency. I've asked the neighborhood to help me out.
Oyer was arrested last month after failing to appear in court several times. It's all tied to this property he owns on East 80th in Marlboro. Members of the neighborhood association say they've been battling the blighted house for nearly 8 years.
Taxpayers have paid their taxes, and we have a certain amount of justice we should be getting, and we haven't gotten it yet.
The city says they granted Oyer a 30-day permit to get on the property and clean it up, but he claims it includes too much red tape and restrictions.
The big G, government, they're in my way. Just let me clean up my property. I know how to take care of my business, and I'll be more than happy to get it taken care of given opportunity.
Neighbors don't believe the promises.
It's just all smoke screen blowing up somebody's hind end.
The Marlboro East Neighborhood Association says they've offered to help in the past. The offer expired, and Oyer doesn't understand why.
They claim to be this group that wants to help blight in the neighborhood. It's just not true. They're not being truthful. Why don't you ask them?
And we did.
We got all the tools and equipment, and no, he's not allowed to use any of them, and we're not going to use them to help him. Plain and simple, we didn't make the mess. We're not going to clean it up.
Oyer's permit to be on this property will expire early next month, but he tells us we can expect to see him out here cleaning before that. A trial for his municipal cases is set for mid-September. I'm Kat Reed, 41 Action News.